Hi, this is Alan of Ripperden Resources, LLC. And today I want to announce our newest product, and that's Packout and Wall mounts for the 48-59-1802 dual rapid charger. We will offer Packout mounts in red and black, and wall mounts in red and black. The charger will be mounted into the Packout in this direction with the cord over on the right. If you want the cord to come out the top, so if you're going to place a plug up here, or out the bottom, you can route the cord on the back of the charger through these slots, and those are meant for you to route your power cable either up this side or down this side. To install the charger onto the Packout mount, you start by putting the cord side of the charger the whole charger will slide into position just by clicking it down. To secure it to the mount, we supply these little tabs, and we recommend putting one on each end of where these vents are. And if you can't push these in with your fingers, just tap them in lightly with the end of a screwdriver or a rubber hammer or something. It won't take much to put them in. And if you ever want to remove your charger from the mount, you just simply put a screwdriver under each one of these sides and gently rock it out. Once the charger is installed onto the Packout mount, to install this onto the Packout plate, just simply put it into place and let it drop. And you'll hear it snap as the securing tabs here snap into place. And that holds the mount secure. To remove the mount from the Packout plate, simply push in on these two tabs, pull straight up and out. The wall mount works the same way as the Packout mount. It installs in the same manner with the tabs you would put on the back side. It's just that you have 4 holes, one in each corner, to secure this to the wall. These are all in stock, and you can purchase yours today at ripperdenresources.com. At Ripperden Resources, LLC, we bring your vision into reality with precision 3D scanning, advanced 3D design and modeling, and high-performance 3D printing. From concept to production, we work with materials ranging from consumer grade to ultra-high performance and flame retardant filaments. If you want to bring your additive manufacturing capabilities in-house, we sell professional 3D scanners, high-temperature printers, and filaments. Contact us today on our website, ripperdenresources.com. Email us at info@ripperdenresources.com. Or call us today at 940-273-9713.